Could a humble cup of chai, swirling with spices and steam, actually be a daily wellness ritual that supports your body, calms your mind, and turns ordinary breaks into nourishing self-care moments? Chai begins with black tea, rich in polyphenol antioxidants that help combat free radicals, gently supporting heart health, circulation, and overall cellular protection when enjoyed regularly as part of a balanced lifestyle. Traditional masala chai layers in spices like ginger, cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, and black pepper, each bringing unique phytochemicals that may reduce inflammation, aid digestion, and enhance nutrient absorption in a flavorful, aromatic synergy. Ginger in chai can soothe the stomach, reduce nausea, and support digestive motility, making this spice tea a comforting choice after heavy meals or during days when your gut feels slightly unsettled. Cardamom contributes a delicate sweetness and has been associated with improved digestion, fresher breath, and gentle detox support, helping every sip of chai feel lighter, cleaner, and more refreshing without extra sugar. Cinnamon in chai may help promote more stable blood sugar responses, supporting energy balance and reducing mid-afternoon crashes, especially when you choose modest sweetening instead of heavily sugared coffeehouse versions loaded with syrups. Cloves bring powerful antioxidant and antimicrobial properties, which can support oral health and general immune defenses, adding depth to chai's flavor while quietly working in the background to bolster everyday resilience. Black pepper, though subtle in taste, plays a key role by enhancing the bioavailability of certain beneficial plant compounds, meaning your body may absorb more goodness from each carefully brewed cup of chai. When brewed mindfully at home, chai lets you control every element, from tea strength and spice intensity to milk type and sweetener choice, aligning your drink with specific health goals and personal preferences. Choosing lighter sweeteners, smaller sugar portions, or naturally sweet spices helps keep chai supportive rather than sabotaging, transforming it from a dessert-like indulgence into a sustainable daily habit that still tastes deeply satisfying. Opting for plant milks like oat, almond, soy, or coconut can lower saturated fat, improve digestibility for lactose-sensitive drinkers, and introduce new textures and flavors that keep your chai ritual exciting. Beyond ingredients, the slow act of simmering spices, inhaling rising steam, and pausing to sip can lower perceived stress, anchor you in the present moment, and function like a mini mindfulness session. Making chai a shared ritual with friends or family can strengthen social bonds, turning wellness into something warm, communal, and emotionally supportive rather than a lonely checklist of rules and restrictions. If you enjoyed exploring the health and wellness magic of chai and want more simple rituals for feeling better every day, please subscribe to our channel and like this video now.